everybody, welcome back to Shani's Shopping Saga. So we have a really fun and exciting haul for you guys. I know you guys have read the title. It's by Temu. When Temu reached out to me for a collaboration, I was more than excited and I couldn't turn down the opportunity. So here is my first haul. If you guys aren't familiar with Temu, Temu is a new website that offers very affordable pricing for quality items, and they have a range of different stuff: baby items, adult items, house accessories, beauty accessories, everything like that. So I'm gonna get into the picks that I got. Now we're gonna start off with the clothes, just because I don't know how long Miss Skyra is gonna wanna be in the video, but you guys already know Miss Skyra and Miss Riley. They come up in the videos occasionally, and when we're doing our shop with me trips. But we're gonna start off with her first. So look at her with her spit bubbles. This outfit is this outfit came from Temu. So it's the top and it's the bottom with the skirt. Really cute. I don't remember what size I got this in. I think I got it in a 6 to 12 month. She isn't originally in 6 to 9 months right now, but I got it a little big because I know that I want her to wear it going into fall. So this is the first item, this set, and this top and this skirt. Everything that I'm showing you will be linked in the bottom, and you will be able to use my code and get 30% off of whatever you like. But yeah, so this is the first outfit here with Miss Skyra. I thought the little ruffles were so cute. It comes with this cute little belt. And then this is the second item, these socks. And I just thought these socks were so cute. They have the little detailing on the side and the little bow. These socks also came in a white, I believe a pink. So yeah, I just got that stuff to match with her outfit. And let me see the second outfit, baby, so we can get her little stuff out of the way. We also got this skirt. Give me her shirt. Along with the white skirt, with the white shirt. It's the same, pretty much the same outfit, just different colors. Same, has the ruffles on the side. And then it did come with a little belt, little pockets. Yeah, little belt. I don't know, I was gonna remix it and put it on her as a headband or whatever, but it was too hot today, so I just put a little bow on the head. So that's that. And then we got Miss Riley this outfit. So it does have a little belt too, the little pockets. The pockets are functional. And the skirt, turn around, baby. It's like a crop top, so she has like a white shirt under it. And turn back around. Okay. And that also came off of Temu. And Hold Your Sister, I'm gonna also show you guys. This shirt came off of Temu. Now, when I saw this shirt, it was another shirt, I forgot what it said. It was sold out of my size. When I saw this shirt, I had to have it because of but God, period. This shirt also came off of Temu. It's really stretchy, breathable. I'm gonna wear this shirt in the summertime. I believe I got this shirt in an extra large. So that's that. Okay. All right. You're gonna help mommy. You're gonna help mommy finish showing the rest of the stuff, right? Okay. And give mommy the rest of the stuff. So Ms. Riley's gonna help me show you guys everything else. So I got these makeup brushes. These makeup brushes are for her. And I saw these. I was like, oh, this is so cute. She's been bugging me like, Mommy, do the haul so I can use it. They had a bunch of different colors.
Those are neon colors.
Yeah, these are the neon ones.
I like it.
This is how they look.
I like how they have different sizes for your eyes and the blush.
Yep, just the full set for your liner, your brush, your foundation, everything. So that's that. All right, you can give us the next thing. And I saw this organizer that she's gonna use for her desk. So it has a little drawers and stuff right here. Place to put your lipstick, your makeup. I mean, you can use it for anything. It doesn't just have to be for makeup, but this is the next item that I chose. open one of the clips up so they can see it? Or open it so you can show them one of the clips. She loves these clips. I had got her some butterfly clips before.
But I used them for my dolls.
Yeah. So now we have these clips. Let me see. Just a pack of little fun clips because she loves to put little different accessories and stuff in her hair.
Sometimes I like to use it for
Let me
my
see.
dolls.
Maybe her and Miss Skyra can also use them. Just a clip like this. Little claw clips. All right, what we got next? This, when I saw this, I was like, you know what? We're always eating French fries. Whether we stop at McDonald's or we make it at home by ourselves. So this is a French fry holder. So your French fries go in the main part right here. And then this is a piece for your...
for the ketchup.
Yes, let's see. Can we put it in there? Yeah, so this is your French fries at the back. And this is your ketchup holder. I thought that was cute and neat. Little French fry holder. Okay.
Now we have 2 of these lipsticks.
Let me see. Open that one. And I'm gonna open this one. This lipstick, Handy Van. I got the Rose Matte Liquid lipstick. And this one is the Rose Matte. Okay, so they're both Rose Matte.
So this is the first one. It's like a burgundy color.
Show it to them, baby. Yes, it's like a burgundy color. And then I got this one. This one is more like a earth tone brown shade. All right, did your sister just get me? Oh no, that's why I came out. Okay. I forgot how much beauty stuff I got. Beauty blenders. I got the little blue one.
And we got the pink.
And the pink one. Now these are earwax scoopers, and it did come in a pack. I did get 3 in a pack, but these are earwax scoopers. And I got this because my son is always telling me, "Mommy, clean my ear. I have something in my ear." And I was like, that's cool, an earwax scooper. So it's meant to travel, so you can open it like this.
We have a lot of different tools.
Yes. Now what exactly are all these different tools for? I have no idea.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
So this one is like when you have like things stuck like in the back of your ear, you could twirl it out. And this one, if it's like in the front of your ear, you could scoop it out. And then this one is kind of like when it's like when it's like stuck in your ear, you could just take it out from the side of your ear.
Okay.
And then this one is to roll to get like the small ones out.
All right, we're gonna go with it. So we got him three of those.
And we have this organizer.
No, baby, this is a traveling food utensil.
Oh.
Yeah. So it comes in this little case. And it's just the black and gold. I saw it, automatically fell in love with it. So here, Mama, help me take this stuff out. So it's just a fork, some chopsticks, the spoon.
I'm probably gonna need to use the chopsticks.
I know you will. It's just a traveling utensil kit. Spoon, and then it has a little matte black bottom. All right, and just throw it right back in there. In that case.
And now we have the things to cook with.
Yes. Kitchen and dining cooking utensil set. And I needed a new utensil set, so I was like, you know what? Yep, gotta have that. It comes with the spreader, the brush, Wood, nice quality. Spatula. Tongs. Everything. This stuff seems pretty durable too. I can't wait to use it. Whisker. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. I cannot tell you, I cannot remember the prices for this stuff, but everything will be linked down below. All of the prices, all of the links, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And don't forget the 30% off. And I got this. This can go in the yeah, this can go in the bathroom. This is a soap holder. You can use it in your bathroom. You can use it in your kitchen. So this is the next item that I chose. Okay. Aw, I originally got this to go in Mrs. Skyra's Easter basket, but I wasn't able to put it in there because I totally forgot that I had it. But this, I got this little plushie. This is so cute. Looks like a little peep. Yeah, I love this shirt. I just love it. This is a towel. This is once you wash your hair, it's a towel dryer. You put, you put it on your head and then you wrap it around.
And if you want to flip it, you cut.
Yes. So after you wash your hair, you get out the shower, and it has a little button in the back. We did already use this when Miss Riley came from the pool, so this is already open. We couldn't wait to use that. That's already been used. My bracelet. This is actually this is actually for your arch to lay your head on, so you can like level your head on it. So I got this. I thought this was pretty cool.
Sometimes I wash it for my hair.
Yes. Use it to like hold your head up to wash it, but that's not what it's supposed to be used for, but that's what we use it for.
And then we have
another organizer. Wait, what's in here? Oh,
it's
little
the bunny things.
Oh, okay, the buttons. Okay.
The buttons
Oh, that's so cute. It has little bunny buttons that go like in the little drawers right here. Okay.
So you can open it easier.
I didn't realize that. Oh, we got it backwards. So it's an organizer in the top, space in the top, and then little buttons. I didn't know this was buttons. Here, Riley, put the buttons on it. Open it and put the buttons on. And you can reach me the rest of that stuff while you put the buttons on.
And we have this.
Some more kitchen utensils. Can I get it open today?
I can't get it in.
Just press it. Just force it and press it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna. Let me see. Oh, that is so cute. I never actually zoomed into it. I forgot what I chose. Some wooden spoons for the kitchen. All right.
And then we have this.
The little compact jewelry holder. I thought this was so cute because we're always traveling with so many little cute necklaces and accessories. So I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and get that. Just throw it in your bag really quickly. So it has the little ring compartment, these little compartments, part for your necklaces, and then they also have the little pouch right here. Just a little compact jewelry holder. All right.
And the last thing we have is this.
Now, I honestly cannot remember what these are. I don't know if these are makeup to put your makeup on or to wipe your makeup off, but these are so cute because they say I am strawberry. It is 7 of them. And it's just some little pads. Oh my God, it smells good too. Smell it?
It smells like strawberries.
So these are really pretty. So that is it for our Temu haul. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and checking out our Temu haul with us. Hope you enjoyed the items that I did pick out. Hopefully I get some more items so I can display and show to you guys. And don't forget to check out my link to get your 30% off. Right? Right? I think Miss Skyra is getting sleepy. Right? You're getting sleepy? You're getting sleepy? She's like, Mommy, I sleepy. I sleepy. But thanks for joining me and Miss Skyra and Riley. And like I said, don't forget to click the link if you want to enjoy some of these items and get your 30% off. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.